AI versus humanity. Who will win the future? What if the greatest battle in history isn't fought with weapons but with intelligence? Not human versus human, but artificial intelligence versus humanity. AI is writing stories, diagnosing diseases, driving cars, predicting crimes, even creating art. Some say it will save us. Others warn it could replace us. So the real question is not, can AI think? The real question is, when machines become smarter than us, who will control the future? Let's uncover the truth. The rise of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It is real. It is here. And it is growing faster than anything humanity has ever created. From voice assistants to self-driving cars, from recommendation algorithms to advanced robotics, AI is already part of our daily lives. Companies like OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, and Tesla are investing billions into AI research. Why? Because AI is power. It can process massive amounts of data in seconds. It does not sleep, it does not forget, it does not get tired, and it learns from every interaction. But here's the twist. AI does not think like humans. It calculates, it predicts, it optimizes. And yet, in many tasks, it already performs better than humans. What AI can do better than humans? Let's be honest. AI can analyze medical scans faster than doctors. It can detect fraud better than financial experts. It can translate languages instantly. It can generate music, art, and even entire films. In chess, AI defeated world champions decades ago. In complex strategy games, it mastered them within hours. AI doesn't have ego. It doesn't panic. It doesn't make emotional decisions. That sounds powerful. But here's the deeper question. Is intelligence alone enough to win the future? What makes humans irreplaceable? Humans are not just logical machines. We feel. We dream. We create meaning. AI can generate poetry, but it doesn't feel heartbreak. It can compose music, but it doesn't experience love. It can simulate empathy, but it doesn't possess consciousness. Human creativity is not just pattern recognition. It is imagination mixed with emotion, memory, culture, and struggle. The greatest inventions in history were born not just from logic, but from vision. Think about leaders like Albert Einstein or innovators like Steve Jobs. Their genius wasn't just calculation, it was imagination. AI improves efficiency. Humans define purpose. And purpose shapes the future. The fear. Will AI replace us? This is where the debate becomes serious. Many jobs are already being automated. Factory work, customer service, data analysis. Even creative fields like design and writing are being assisted by AI. Some experts warn about artificial general intelligence, AI that could outperform humans in almost every intellectual task. If that happens, what will humans do? Will we become dependent? Will unemployment rise? Will decision-making shift from humans to machines? These are real concerns. But history teaches us something important. Every major technological revolution, from the Industrial Revolution to the internet, created fear. Yet each time humans adapted, old jobs disappeared, new industries were born. The question is not whether AI will change the world. The question is how we choose to use it. Cooperation, not competition. Maybe the framing is wrong. Maybe it's not AI versus humanity. Maybe it's AI with humanity. AI is a tool, one of the most powerful tools ever created. A hammer can build a house or destroy it. Technology depends on the intention behind it. When humans collaborate with AI, doctors make more accurate diagnoses, scientists discover new medicines faster, farmers increase crop production, students learn more efficiently. AI amplifies human capability. It does not automatically replace it. The future may belong to those who know how to work with AI, not against it. The real battle, control and ethics. The real competition isn't between humans and machines. It's about control. Who programs the AI? Who sets the rules? Who decides its boundaries? If AI is controlled responsibly, it can reduce poverty, improve healthcare, and solve climate challenges. If misused, it can increase inequality, manipulate information, and threaten privacy. The power of AI must be guided by human ethics. And ethics come from human values, not algorithms. So who wins the future? Here's the truth. AI will continue to grow smarter. It will become faster, more advanced, more autonomous. But intelligence alone does not define victory. The future will not be won by AI. The future will not be won by humanity alone. The future will be shaped by those who combine human wisdom, human creativity, human ethics, with artificial intelligence power. AI is a mirror. It reflects the intentions of its creators. If humanity chooses responsibility, collaboration, and innovation, we win together. If we choose greed, control, and misuse, we risk losing control of our own creation. AI is not our enemy. It is not our savior either. It is a tool, and tools become dangerous only when humans forget their responsibility. So instead of asking, who will win? Maybe we should ask, what kind of future do we want to build? Because in the end, the real power is not in machines. It is in the human mind that created them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful insights about the future of technology and humanity.